There was an actress who used to charge her toothpaste to the producer, like wahan tak. So,
The only other person I feel is invested in the other person is Sony ma'am. The rest for
my contacts in the business are better than anybody else's. Nobody
Ex-
has them.
Sell yourselves. एक दूसरे को बस बेचो. And who sees कि कितना काम डाला फिल्म में? Everybody goes like हाँ flop, hit. दो ही चीजें आती हैं. They don't sit and see
Yeah.
ना कि कितना बेचारों ने खून पसीना मेहनत किया है, 36 घंटे काम किए हैं. Nobody sees all that, Pooja. So I feel like
For all film-related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
हेलो टीम कॉल माय एज इन बॉलीवुड. आप तीनों मुझे सच्ची बताओ कितना सच है कितना झूठ है इसमें.
सब सच है.
100% सच.
बोलते हैं.
But Sony ma'am, you have to tell me, you belong to the time. You are the impresario in this, but you also belong to the time that there were no PRs, there were no agents. You did your own PR. Now these two belong to the time when there are PRs, agencies, मालूम नहीं क्या ताम झाम. What was it like then though?
It was so confusing, you know. I mean, I was just telling everybody that I envy people today because they have everything so streamlined. You have casting agencies, you have talent agencies, you have everything that, you know, if you want to set up your career, you have a way forward. In our time, it was so chaotic. So basically, we just had to muddle our way through. If you had to get seen, you didn't have Instagram, you didn't have anything. You had to either go on stage or and when I began, there was not even any TV. So your only option was somehow manage to get one film or somehow get on stage and, you know, showcase your talent via the stage. So that's what, of course, people did. And it was, everything was just touch and go. And I think everything took that much longer. Of course, there were a lot less actors in the business. That was another thing. The pool was a lot smaller. The pond was a lot smaller, I would say. But still, it was chaotic, and I used to always wish that, oh God, I just wish that I had, you know, an agency that was looking after my work, that would source work for me, and that, because I didn't even know who was casting. So it was so difficult. It was really difficult.
Would you actually call up art?
Sit on Art's doorstep and beg, I think, Ayush to recommend.
Oh, not me.
Now imagine, Amal, dekho, Ahana, she wouldn't want to contact you.
No,
Crazy for sure.
if Anna
Anna
would have frightened me because
I would really take care of Sony ma'am really, really well.
Hey, don't steal my talent.
फोन में आ जाएगा. So मुझे लगता है कि आना जो है अभी अगर मैं जाती तो आना के पास जा.
That's only that smart. For taxes she shifted.
Why you doing this?
Too, I'd be very scared to come to you, Ahana, because you're too smart and
Wrong.
you're forceful.
Say it, crazy. Say it. I'm waiting.
तो forget.
उसका मतलब are you smart or crazy नहीं है ये देखो.
Ma'am, I'm loving. I take care.
Very ढीला, please.
I'm emotionally invested in my clients.
Please,
That's
clients want to leave him and come to me.
they nobody wants to leave me. They just want to be with me. So don't worry, ma'am. Let us go.
No, but it all depends on my age. So young age, Ayush, old age, Ahana.
Ahana.
अब मैं दोनों से पूछ.
Rajat sir.
Cancel कर दो. But you know, Ahana and Ayush, I want to ask you. You belong to this generation. I'm sure PR machinery pehle. So when these characters came to you, was there any deja vu moment that happened with both of you?
See, you know, I can speak for the both of us that when we started off acting, we do not have any agency. We do not have anyone as well. Like it was there. It wasn't that it wasn't there, but we chose not to be a part of it because we thought we'll do more on our own. And you know, we really thought that being a part of an agency actually diminishes your chances because there's so many rumors around which says that agar agency join karega, so then they'll quote high and then you won't get the job, and they only push their internal talent too much. If you sign temporarily with them, then they won't help you. So there were so many things like that, and you are just like, yeah, theek hai, I might as well handle my own work only. So we started off like that, and in the process, we started becoming our own agents. So any actor who's not been a part of an agency like recently and has started off doing their own management initially is an agent. He knows how to negotiate. He knows how to manage dates. He knows how to get his own huck. Uh, so, those kind of things really helped us. Obviously, as compared to now, when I have a management agency, my life, Rahana's life, and Sony Ma'am's life is way more simpler than what we can even imagine,
Yeah.
So there is obviously a difference, but I feel the difference now. And yeah, so I would go for the
Uh,
agency.
Ahana, I
Uh,
would never want to miss with Amal, but I've encountered many a Amal even in my life.
I'm sure.
oh, wow.
Ayush,
Go there.
let's ask Ayush. Ayush, who would you come to in art for your career?
I would come to me only.
See, I knew it. He's obsessed with himself. So
No,
okay,
wait. Okay.
What a silly question to ask Ayush. Don't you think he's obsessed with himself?
There is no possibility. Okay, wait. I'm saying objectively, if I wasn't,
Hey.
if I can't pick myself, then I would come to Sony ma'am.
I mean, they've
Dekho,
completely
dekho.
disregarded
Sony
Amal.
ma'am, he's just saying this on an afterthought.
No, but after me, I'll tell you why. Because I would come to me because the way I am in the show, it's very invested in this, and the only other person I feel is invested in the other person is Sony ma'am. The rest for
My contacts in the business are better than anybody else's. Nobody
Ex-
has them.
Yeah. Sell yourselves. एक दूसरे को बस बेचो.
Ahana and Rajat sir are only after money. These people, these are typical agents.
I am not after money. I really care about art.
Ahana, now spill the beans. How much of you is in Amal? Bata do ab.
Full.
Yeah, I knew it. Like the only person who will say this will be like Ayush. Ahana is Amal. No, but I felt like, I'll tell you, when I started my career, I have worked with such, I wouldn't say crazy women, but I have worked with women who've been, so, strong-headed. I've worked with women who I've had no nonsense bosses who have like made me cry, who have made me go and like do things. They have told me, I don't care how this happens, but the show must go on. You get the work done. I don't care how you did it, what happened. And, and it actually made me really strong-headed in my own way. And I'm thankful to them, because had I come into the industry being all a weakling, I don't think I would have lasted this long. And you cannot last this long in an industry like this, which is completely like their ass is on fire. You've got to be that. If you're not going to be a go-getter, you're going to be going and getting home, and this chill. So I don't think we are in an industry where we can take even like a single day for granted. We can't take a single opportunity for granted. Everything has to be like, I've got this job, I've got to make the best out of it, because this is going to lead to my next job. And I don't think that's only for an outsider. I think it's also for like stars. Imagine like having to hold on to your value, having to hold on to your repute.
For years, yeah.
I mean, come on, I don't think that's like easy. So this business is not
Yeah.
easy. And who sees ki kitna kaam dala film mein? Everybody goes like, flop, hit. दो ही चीजें आती हैं. They don't sit and see
Yeah.
ना कि कितना बेचारों ने खून पसीना मेहनत किया है, 36 घंटे काम किए हैं. Nobody sees all that, Pooja. So I feel like there's a lot of Amal in me, because I had bosses like that. I had women around me. So I really borrowed from everybody, and I literally put that into my character, because I was like, I have seen this. I know this person. So I remember like literally reading scenes and going like, oh, I know this person who's done this. So it's fine. You always encounter.
True. Did the three of you actually watch the French show? Because now the adaptation's coming, and I think film industries everywhere are the same. You're dealing with fragile egos, competition, quirks, and eccentric people around you. But did you watch the original show, all of you?
Yeah.
We're a huge fan of the original
We're fans
show.
of the show.
Love it.
And when did you watch? Did you actually think this actually would be a perfect setting in your film industry, because this is also a mockumentary of sorts, you know. Was there any moments when you said, "हाँ मैंने भी ऐसा encounter किया है," because I have watched 3 episodes so far.
Oh, you
Oh
have.
wow.
Everybody calls me crazy.
So for me, I watched it after I got the part almost. So it was not कि यार काश ये Bollywood में भी बन जाए. It was not that kind of a moment. It was out of greed that I wanted it after I saw it, and I was like, I have to get this now because of audition. So it was one of those things. But uh, the French version and the Bollywood version is so different, yet so similar in terms of because the culture in France is so different than the
Yeah.
culture in India. So we over here as a country is obsessed with Bollywood, and it's our religion. Cricket and films are like our religion, and so this really focuses on that, and it's a very light-hearted way that it focuses on. It's not like so intense that it'll just blow your mind and you have to not do anything in the day. You can really sit with your family, popcorn, have like a Coke, Pepsi, and aram se sit and watch and have a good time with your family. And I'm also feeling so nice that it's coming around the Diwali time because everyone's going to be home and everyone's going to watch it together. This is that kind of a show. This is like a fun
True.
kind of a show which you can sit and watch with your family and just have a good time. That's all.
Actually, one of my favorite times in the day was when I used to finish shooting for Call My Agent and come home and watch Call My Agent because the seasons were going on. So I actually, that was a lovely time for me. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
But Soni ma'am, please tell me what happens. I mean, how true is this? Is it really this crazy?
What?
I mean, as you've shown the scenes, is it really this crazy? Because you've been longer in the industry than the two of them.
This is nothing compared to what they actually, I mean, truth is stranger than fiction. And honestly, I'm telling you, in the entertainment business, the kind of things that actually can go wrong or the kind of things you have to sometimes deal with, you can't even imagine in your wildest dreams. Nobody can write that script. So this is a very small slice of that actual, so I can assure you that nothing is over the top in this show. It is probably.
I think it's a very mild version of Bollywood.
The show is the
We've got
teaser.
We have got it from the veteran that this is a mild version because a lot of people are going to ask, "ऐसे भी होता है?" But
much worse. We all can tell you stories, I'm sure.
Yeah.
True. Time to spill the beans. एक तो story बता दो. I know we are not taking names, but the crazy stories that you three have been through personally in your journey.
I mean, I don't know what I've personally been through, but I can tell you that there was an actress who used to charge her toothpaste to the producer, like wahan tak. So I can assure you that.
What? I want to know this name.
एक छोटी सी कहानी मैं बता रही हूँ आपको कि and let me think about what's happened to me personally. There must be so many things, but probably I've forgotten all of them because I don't remember the bad things. I only like to remember the good
things.
Yeah.
चलो आहाना आयुष आप दोनों बताओ crazy things.
Nothing. इतना तो crazy मैंने कभी नहीं सुना यार, because honestly मैंने तो hardly film industry में काम किया है, and even when I've worked in the film industry, it's always been with like indie film actors.
So Ahana saying she's hardly done this stuff. What a liar she is.
I'm serious. Okay, no, really, I have not. Except for like I know like actors who come late, and I get very pissed off about that. Like that's the only thing that I know that I.
कभी खड़े होके बोला है late क्यों आते हो, कभी time से आया करो बोला है.
बोल दिया कि आपके साथ आइंदा नहीं काम करूंगी, मैं तो मुंह पे बोल के चली जाती हूँ, मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा.
But those stories are legend where certain people do come late and
and I don't know like because
not late, they don't come at all until maybe the end of the day or something.
हाँ वो सब मैंने सुना है लेकिन मैंने
I know you have like 1 hour to shoot or something like that.
I've never experienced that, but people come.
I have.
I haven't either, to be honest.
I have.
हाँ बताओ.
Oh yeah. Ayush has.
Ayush बताओ.
Name please.
So I'll tell you I was working. It's not about a story of spilling the beans or something. I was just enamored by the sheer stardom of how this is happening. Like I was supposed to shoot for a TV ad, and it was supposed to be a live location, and it was supposed to be with a very, very big star. And we're like, okay, fair enough, cool. So we're gonna shoot with them. Okay, and suddenly I see 30 military and 40 police people come and have a parameter, and still that parameter was not enough because people would still break that and come the minute the car came off the superstar. And I was just standing and I was just like, what is happening? Like, these things you just sometimes see in films के ऐसा Bollywood superstar की entry हुई और ऐसे लोग मगर, but I genuinely actually saw it and I was like, wow, this is insane. And I'm talking about town, like church gate पे ये हो रहा है, and I'm just like, ये कैसे हो रहा है? So this was like a moment where I was like, wow, this is like unreal love people have
This
for.
is reminding me of something, and I can mention names here because nothing bad about it. It was told to me by somebody whom I know, or knew rather, about Rajesh Khanna. So when he entered, so somebody had gone to a wedding in the Taj, and when he entered that room of the wedding, suddenly the room was like, few people. Suddenly the whole room became full of people because Rajesh Khanna had entered. And he said he did his thing and he went and he, wished the groom and the bride and everything. And then he left. When he left, the whole room emptied out after him. So this is the power of stardom. I mean, it just reminded me from what you said.
Oh man, yeah.
It's just like
Awesome.
that kind of stardom, yeah. It's huge.
Which is true because I've heard his stardom was crazy.
Yeah.
Yes,
Crazy.
my parents tell me that his car used to be covered in lipstick
With
marks.
lipstick marks like Elvis Presley.
Huh?
Yeah, his
Are you
white car
serious?
used to be
I didn't
covered
know
in
this.
lipstick marks.
ये तो Elvis Presley का भी मैंने सुना है. I mean,
And I
my
used to
own
be
mother
like,
has
what do
watched
you say?
Aradhana 8
Stardom is
times and I would
something
wonder
like
why.
which I don't think anybody, I have not seen that kind of stardom at all with anybody. It's,
Yeah.
I would like to witness it once. एक बार तो देखो यार.
Exactly. Like I've only witnessed it for the celebrity I was watching, like I told you all about, and I was
Yeah.
just like, wow, this is crazy stardom, man.
I know.
Insane.
Awesome. After this show, I'm sure you're going to be getting calls because, people often don't realize real and real difference. So who should they
I
call?
hope they don't call us. Can
You know-
please
you know-
find us? Can you please represent us?
I've I've actually cracked deal for my friends. I'm not even joking. Like I've actually negotiated for them on their behalf since
जगह
like
agent
I
बन गया.
मैं अभी नहीं मैं मतलब ये पहले से ही करता था because they always wanted to show that if they're getting a call from a good office, they wanted to show that they have a manager, and then I would act as their manager, and I would be like, hello, yes, this is this person's manager speaking, and I would negotiate for them, and I would get them good budgets. So yeah, I've got a lot of gifts like that from
But
them.
I know of a lot of actors who have given their own numbers. I have kept 2 phones. I know of actors like this because I know these stories and I personally know these people. They've given 2 numbers and then उस दूसरे number पे call आता है and then they change their voice and talk like a manager.
I have seen this live.
Oh my god, I know this story, which was hilarious. I was like, are you serious? Did you just do that? And I was like, dude.
That's
Hello.
what they say.
Nuts,
There's,
nuts.
that's
Yeah,
what they
suddenly-
say. No biz like show biz. And Teresa ma'am, who would you call up? As Soni ma'am is Teresa, who would you call up? If you were to. Now, if they were to come to you, how would you want them to shape their careers? Before we go, ये दोनों तो करते रहते हैं अपनी मस्करी.
No, so who would I call up as in?
But what advice would you give now, since you are the impresario?
To a newcomer?
To a newcomer, yes.
Well, I mean, before
If they were to contact you.
if they contacted me, I would meet them obviously, and I would suss their talent and stuff. But the first thing I would, advise them to do is take acting lessons, not for any other reason, but it gets rid of a lot of misconceptions about yourself. You just come back to ground zero. I don't think there's anything better than learning your craft. And an actor has only his body and his physique to show, the face, the body, the physique to show, through which to show everything. And so I think it's very important to keep it. This is your instrument. This is your musical instrument. You need to keep tuning it. So if you're not working regularly, you're a newcomer, you're obviously not working regularly. You need to work somehow. So that working somehow is through these acting classes. Basically, Keep your instrument going, keep it tuned, and then one would see. It would all depend on the individual and how I would present that person. But I would always advise the person to. It depend, as I said, it would just depend on the person and the potential of the person.
Absolutely.
There are
Thank
so
you.
many opportunities and possibilities today. So,
True.
yeah.
Thank you so much. Well, people, you have 3 very seasoned agents here, so call them. Looking forward to it. And lovely chatting with you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Pooja. Enjoy London.
So much. Bye.
Bye bye. Have a good time, and then please have
Holiday.
Holiday.
good coffee from all of us.
Oh, no
Like-
coffee. We just do wine o'clock.
Don't do anything that we wouldn't do, yeah?
Ah.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.